Hi everyone, welcome to a very quick Painting Lab update. It is the 12th of March 2022. I'm sitting making this video, of course, in the beautiful Jacobean manor where I now live and work and make YouTube content from. So what we're about here at Painting Lab, if this is the first video that you've watched, is making the pure technique of realistic drawing and painting not just a little bit easier, but completely accessible. Now, we've discovered that Tim Jennison's Comparator Mirror technology is a brilliant way to do this. Not by tracing or cheating anything, but by shortening the distance between seeing what you want to paint and painting it.
Shoulder. And I would remember what you said and be a bit more bold, actually. It lifts your performance away from that very black and white, is it right, is it wrong, into the linking part of your brain where you're more expressive and creative and everything can be used.
Yeah, including the mistakes.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
And that takes the fear away.
I honestly believe if I'd had this device at school, I would probably have been making art for the last 30 years.
So if you would like to get your hands on the hardware that makes this approach possible, all you need to do is email us at this address and we'll post one out to you for no more than the cost of postage and packing.
What I really loved about using the Comparator Mirror together was the conversation.
So the Comparator Mirror opens up the skill set, but learning is about so much more than the skill itself. It's about the belief that you can actually do it.
That's amazing.
Is it?
Like that escalation of confidence because it was a partnership.
And because painting is so steeped in the idea of talent and giftedness and genius, it's been that conversation, that collaboration, which has enabled folks to really embrace what's at stake. So the challenge for me now is to create an experience which is just as intimate, just as rewarding, just as supported as those intimate conversations I've been able to have with schools and individuals all around the world in my tests. On reflection, I think all of this depends upon taking a new approach, not just to opening the skills up, but to source imagery, the images that we're going to paint from. So what clicked in my head the other day is that instead of individual source images downloadable through a website, I should create challenge packs with a source image at the center of each pack, surrounded by all sorts of supplementary information. Within each challenge, we're going to target and tackle several technical challenges that crop up in painting all the time. Of course, you're going to see me tackle these challenges on YouTube, but these are going to have very, very minimal commentary. It's just going to be me painting in my own particular way so you can see my decisions. However, in each challenge pack will be a monochrome image, top reversed images for comparator mirror paintings, of course, a simplified halfway house image that will allow you to get underway with the problems of tone and shape and color without being overwhelmed by detail, and clear guides as to color mixes that I think you will need for each particular challenge. But most importantly, an audio file with me as your guide at the side. So you can set up your own comparator mirror, put some headphones on, and I will guide you through the complexities of each image and the complexities of paint. Really what I'm trying to do is create something which is as close to the experience we should all have had in our high school art class, which means a lot more work for me behind the scenes, And I don't mind that at all, to be honest. The really important thing to point out about this project is that everything is always in flux. And so as I talk to you about this plan, everything is an experiment.
Very serious now, you have to concentrate or it won't be realistic.
To create the ideal experience of having a teacher guide you through the process of painting. We've got the hardware, the comparator mirror that makes the actual technical business more comprehensible. And now we have a plan of action. Good luck with your attempts to draw and paint and feel creatively confident. And I'll see you next time.